In this video, I'm going to show you how to pay your employees in Shadow 1. So what we need to do is, of course, hire some employees. If you don't know how to hire them, watch the video in the right top corner and you will be set up in a minute. So the next step is to basically go to the warehouse, and if you have assigned a bed to a worker, then you will find a suitcase on top. Now open the briefcase, and as you can see, I have already added money. So basically what you need to do is fill up all those boxes with money, so you pay them. So what you need to do is basically pay up front, so you will add money to all those boxes, and what it does is you won't get in any payment problems with your employees, so they don't work, because a employee needs to be paid before it starts working. So make sure those boxes are all filled up with money, and then they will continue working. So you need to check once in a couple of in-game days, and if you do that, then you won't get in any problems if you fill up all the boxes with money. And that is basically how you pay employees in Shadow 1. If it was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!